Hi, I'm Dr. Meenu Sethi. I'm consultant dermatologist and my brand is Skin Stories by Dr. Meenu Sethi. Welcome to Laika's workshop, episode 1 of dermatology. Today we'll be talking about role of nutrition and hormones for healthy skin. Having a balanced diet is very essential to keep your skin healthy. You must include foods which are rich in protein, vitamin, minerals and antioxidants. Now we'll talk about vitamin minerals specifically. First about vitamin A. It prevents flaking of the skin, it produces new tissues and repairs the skin cells. Now second is vitamin C. It hydrates the skin, it helps in collagen synthesis and it maintains the elasticity and firmness of the skin. It also regulates melanin production. Foods which are rich in vitamin C include blueberries, broccoli, guava, kiwi fruit, oranges, papaya and sweet potatoes. Now the third is vitamin E. It protects the skin from free radical damage. Food like almonds, avocados, hazelnut, pine nuts and sunflower. Other vitamin includes B2, B6, B12, C and E. It improves water retention and repairs the cells. Vitamins like D and E can impact the production of melanin in the skin. Copper and zinc improves the skin elasticity. Zinc-rich foods are fish, lean red meat, whole grains, poultry, nuts and seeds. Now we'll talk about omega-3 fatty acids. It helps fight conditions like dermatitis, psoriasis and acne. It fights the inflammation and helps maintain a supple and moisturized skin. It is the precursor of eicosanoids, prostaglandins, leukotrienes and thromboxanes. Food like salmon, flaxseed, chia seeds and walnuts. Selenium, it is a very powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Foods such as fish, egg, tomatoes and broccolis are rich in selenium. You must drink loads of water to keep your skin soft, supple and hydrated. You must be wondering what might cause skin pigmentation. Now deficiency of calcium and vitamin D and E can cause white spots or patches on the skin. Investing in plant proteins more as they have been associated with lower levels of inflammation. Too much consumption of dairy products can result in increase in growth and sex hormone, leading to acne, hair loss, and excessive growth of hair on the face. Adding probiotics in your diet helps in reducing skin inflammation and breakouts. Foods to avoid. Avoid too much intake of alcohol, caffeine as they dehydrate your skin. They can cause inflammation, acne and blackheads and lead to open pores. Alcohol and tobacco can cause dry skin and pigmentation on the skin. Avoiding refined sugars, simple carbohydrates and processed foods as they raise the blood sugar levels, making the skin dry, increasing hormone levels such as insulin and insulin-like growth factors which may stimulate more sebum production and acne. The broken down sugar can combine with protein like collagen and cause skin inflammation and acne. Talking about hormones. Thyroid hormone can affect skin moisture level. Low levels of thyroid hormone can cause dry skin. Excess androgen, that is the male hormone, such as testosterone, it stimulates sebaceous glands, resulting in acne, also results in patterned hair loss and results in excessive hair on the face. Progesterone stimulates the production of sebum or oil glands in the skin. Growth hormone is essential for collagen production and skin thickness. Cortisol, that is the stress hormone, and can cause inflammation and give rise to conditions such as acne or eczema. Estrogen, which keeps your skin smooth, plump by helping the production of sebum. It promotes skin thickness, helps in skin hydration, wound healing, and improves the barrier function. But high estrogen can cause skin sensitivity, whereas lack of estrogen can break down collagen and elastin, resulting in wrinkles. Food such as soya, tofu, which while others are found in fibers of whole grains, fruits, vegetables and flax seeds. Now let's talk about holistic skincare, focusing on the root cause, not surface issues. Holistic skincare is a natural approach to address the root cause of the skin concern and going beyond temporary fixes to achieve lasting results. For example, a holistic skincare routine will not only address acne but will also try to resolve the cause behind it, identifying and correcting underlying triggers causing skin imbalance. Solutions tailored to each person's unique needs and lifestyle. The ideal holistic skincare routine covers both inside and outside of the body. integrating gut health with skin transforming therapies. This would consider premature aging symptoms such as fine line, wrinkles, and skin issues also. How does the skincare routine and your nutrition influence your hormones? What are the benefits of following a good skincare routine and following a good nutrition? What we eat impacts pH balance, oil production, and also the inflammation. Inclusion of balanced diet like fruits, vegetables, whole grain, lean proteins, and healthy fat can help keep your skin looking healthy and glowing. A consistent routine of morning and night nurtures your skin health. A good skincare routine like cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and sun protection, which is the most important. You must prioritize high quality sleep each night. Fluctuating hormones aggravated by stress disrupts the skin. Nutrition and lifestyle adjustments create glowing skin. How do we achieve a glowing skin? Sleep, hydration, gentle cleansing, SPF protection, anti-inflammatory foods which lower the oxidative damage, stress management, and self-care rituals for harmony. Ayurvedic herb balance, doshas, and they enhance your radiance. Let's talk about skin health and nutrition. What is the connection between nutrition and skin health? Number one is hydration. Drinking enough water is crucial for healthy skin, preventing dryness and promoting radiant complexion. Vitamin and minerals. Nutrients like vitamin A, C, and E, as well as minerals like zinc, selenium, contribute to collagen protection, protects against sun damage, and support overall skin function. Antioxidants. Fruits and vegetables rich in antioxidants help combat free radicals, promoting youthful and healthy skin. Fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish, flax seeds, and walnuts maintain skin flexibility, moisture, and they have a very good anti-inflammatory properties, potentially alleviating skin conditions like acne. Protein. Adequate protein intake is crucial for skin repair and regeneration. Food like lean meats, dairy, and legumes contribute to protein intake. But I must tell you, dairy, you should be very careful about amount of dairy you take. You can have somewhere about 350 ml of dairy a day. You can have curd, you can have buttermilk, but other form of dairy can cause acneiform eruptions. Identifying and avoiding trigger foods such as dairy or processed sugar, it can contribute to clearer skin. How to manage your dietary habits? Eat seasonal fruits and vegetables. Avoid artificial sweeteners. You must consume healthy fats. Don't eat spicy food. You must take herbal tea. Stay hydrated. You can have dark chocolate if you like. Drink water on empty stomach in the morning. You must have a wholesome breakfast before leaving the house. You include a good mix of protein and veggies in every meal. Consume fruit juice, nuts, coconut water during your snack time. Avoid having dinner late in the evenings. Stay away from dairy. Now let's talk about essential nutrients for healthy skin. Vitamin A, essential for skin health. It promotes cell turnover and repair, and it prevents dry skin. It is found in sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, and liver. Vitamin C, it protects skin from oxidative stress. It is crucial for collagen synthesis. You get it from citrus fruits, strawberry, bell pepper, and broccoli. Vitamin E, it protects skin from UV damage. It is found in nuts, seeds, spinach, and vegetable oil. Vitamin D promotes skin cell growth and repair. Sources include fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and egg yolk. Omega-3 fatty acids maintains skin moisture and flexibility. It is found in fatty fish, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Zinc, it is important for collagen synthesis and UV protection. You get it from meat, dairy, nuts, and whole grains. Selenium protects the skin from free radical damage. It is found in seafood and whole grains. Protein, essential for skin cell repair and regeneration. It is found in lean meat, poultry, fish, egg, and plant-based sources. Biotin, also called as vitamin B7, essential for healthy skin. Sources include egg, nuts, seeds, and sweet potato. Collagen, crucial for skin structure and elasticity. It is found in bone broth, fish, chicken, and supplements. Hydration, crucial for maintaining skin moisture and overall skin health. Now, the powerful antioxidants are found in fruits, vegetable, tea like green tea. They protect the skin from oxidative stress and promote a healthy complexion. Let's talk about skincare practices in depth. The right order for your skin regimen. Number 1. Products should be applied from lightest to heaviest. Number 2. Apply sunscreen every day before you go out. If you're applying a chemical sunscreen, apply it 20 minutes before you go out. If you're applying a mineral sunscreen, you can apply it and go out immediately. Number 3. Exfoliate but resist the urge to scrub even if you've been sweating heavily or you've had serious acne flare. Number 4. Wash your face when you wake up, before bed, and even after sweating. Number 5. Choose skincare products formulated for your skin type. Sensitive skin, normal skin, dry skin, or if you have a combination skin, or if you have an oily skin. Practice double cleansing. Use an oil-based cleanser to remove your makeup, your sunscreen, and excess sebum. Follow it up with a water-based cleanser to cleanse the skin of impurities and residue. How should you do exfoliation? Use AHA or BHA 2 to 3 times a week to remove dead skin cells, unclog the pores, and promote cell turnover. How to use serums or actives? Use serums with potent ingredients like vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, peptides to target specific skin concerns. Role of retinoids in your skin. Consider incorporating retinoids for anti-aging benefits. Always start with lower concentration. When I prescribe retinoid to my patient, I always tell them to start slow. Maybe for people who have dry skin, they should start for an hour and they can wash it off. If they have a normal skin, they can do it alternate days, and then once their skin gets acquainted to it, they can use it every day. Microneedling helps with open pores, tiny scars on the skin, and also improves your skin texture. It stimulates collagen production because we cause micro injuries in the skin. It is a dermatologist-led procedure. LED therapy may not work alone. It usually is combined with other therapies. First, we exfoliate your dead skin in a controlled manner, and then we use LED light therapy targeting specific issues. For example, if you have acne, if you have pigmentation, if you have fine lines, if you have sensitive skin like rosacea, according to the problems, the LED light therapy is given. Hydration and moisturization. Using a hydrating moisturizer and hyaluronic acid serum for intense hydration. Sun protection is extremely important. A lot of people tell me that we don't go out. Why should we use sun protection? You must remember that even the lights at what you're sitting in, if you're sitting in the front of a laptop, that also can harm your skin. So please use broad spectrum sunscreen with high SPF every morning and try repeating it every 3 hours. Let's talk about professional treatments. For pigmentation, acne, you can consider chemical peel, laser therapy like Q-switch laser, or microdermabrasion. If you have acne scars, you can consider getting microneedling. So let's summarize what we have spoken till now. What is the benefit of having a healthy skin and how it actually impacts your mental health? If you have acne, if you have red skin, if you have unwanted hair on your face, it really impacts your mental health. So healthy skin starts from what you eat, how do you manage your lifestyle. It really makes a lot of difference. So make sure you have a balanced diet. Make sure you follow the skincare regime, which I already spoke to you about. Having a basic daily routine. Don't skip on your regular exercise. Make sure you do at least 30 to 40 minutes of some kind of exercise every day. If you don't feel like hitting a gym, just have maybe you can just do a yoga in a day, or maybe just have a brisk walk for 30 minutes. You will actually feel very good about it. And then I have seen patients telling me that today I had a very good workout day and my skin actually is glowing. You will see that shine on your skin. So I think that really has an impact. Healthy diet, a good balanced diet really impacts your skin. If you cut down on sugar, if you cut down on unwanted dairy products, if you reduce refined flour in your diet, you will see the difference. You know, patients come and tell me that, yesterday I had one sweet and actually I can see this pimple. You will actually see it. You will see that your skin becomes sensitive when you have too hot. It can be temperature hot food, it can be hot spicy food, which causes flushing in your skin, and the skin becomes sensitive. We don't realize it immediately, but then if you try to follow a good diet, you will see the difference coming. So I would like to say, healthy skin is what you eat, what kind of lifestyle you follow, and it will give you a very nice, healthy and radiant skin. If you want to reach out for help, I'm always there. We can have a customized skincare regime for you, because every skincare product will not suit you. You have to customize according to your skin type. I hope this helps. Thank you very much.